Good morning students. Today we start a new topic, that is area and perimeter of plane figures. This topic you are studying from class 7. Let's start with the topic with few terms. So the first is plane figure. Plane figure is a closed figure. First thing, what is closed figure? The figure which begins and end at the same point is known as closed figure. Like see this circle starting from A and ending also at A, so this is also a closed figure. So closed figure which does not intersect itself is called a plane figure. Like triangle which starting at point A and end also at point A. So all triangles, quadrilaterals and circle, these are the plane figures. Next is perimeter and area. Perimeter means the length of its boundary. The perimeter of any plane figure is the length of its boundary. Suppose this is a square ABCD. So perimeter means length of its boundary. Like square, as we know, all the sides are equal. So sum of all the sides of a square is the perimeter. The unit of the perimeter is same as a unit of length, that is meter or a centimeter, etc. Area of any plane figure is a measure of the surface enclosed by its boundary. Means this is the surface enclosed by this figure ABCD, so this is known as area. The unit of the area is square centimeter or square meter, etc. Now we will come to the formulas, that is area of the right angle triangle. A right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 is known as right angle triangle. Area of the right angle triangle is half into base into height. If suppose the triangle is not right angle, like suppose this triangle PQR, this is also not right angle triangle, but the height is falling on one of its side. That side could be any side. Here see the altitude PL is falling on the sides QR. Then also we can use this formula of area, that is half into base into height. Here we will take the base as QR and the height we will take it as PL. Now children, this year you will start with the new formula, that is the Heron's formula. This is also very important formula. This formula is applicable for any kind of triangle, whether it's the isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle or a scalene triangle. We have different formulas for equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, but if you don't remember the formulas, then with the help of Heron's formula you can find out any one of the area of the triangle. So first, for the Heron's formula, first we will take the S. Find out S. S means the semi-perimeter. Perimeter we know sum of all the sides of the triangle. So let all the three sides of the triangle are A, B, C. So semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C upon 2, means half of the perimeter. After that, area of the triangle is square root of S into S minus A, means first side, S minus B, S minus C. So with the help of Heron's formula you can find out any area of the triangle. So S is semi-perimeter, A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle. After Heron's formula we have the another formulas also. So next formula is area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3S. S means the side of the triangle, and area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. A square or S square. A means sides of the triangle. Now come to the next formula, that is the area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle is B upon 4 square root of 4A square minus B square. What is A and B? A means the equal sides of an isosceles triangle and B is the base. So area of an isosceles triangle is B upon 4 square root of 4A square minus B square, and the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 2A plus B, sum of all the sides. So A plus A is 2A plus B. Now let's start with the questions. So I am taking the first question, that is based on the Heron's formula. That is very important and very easy formula. So the question is, find the area of the triangle whose sides are 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. Also find the height of the triangle corresponding to the longest side. So according to the formula, first we have to find out the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all the sides upon 2. So it is 21 centimeter. So area of the triangle is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is the semi-perimeter, A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. So substitute the value, that is 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. So we will subtract. After subtraction we will see what is left. Now we will find out the square root by the prime factorization method. So when we will take the prime factorization method, we will see the area of the triangle is 84 centimeter square. This is the first part of the question. Second part is also find the height of the triangle corresponding to the longest side. So we have to find out the height which is falling on the longest side. Corresponding to the longest side means the height is falling on the longest side of the triangle. So out of 13, 14, 15, which one is the longest side? 15. So height is falling on 15 centimeter. This height we have to find out. So we can use the formula area of the triangle half into base into height. Area is 84, base is 15 and height we will calculate. Similarly in the questions posed children, they said find out the height of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side. Smallest side is 13, then we will take base as 13 centimeter. So when we'll solve, we'll see the height of the triangle is 11.2 centimeter. So this is the answer of the question. The next question is the perimeter of the triangular field is 540 meter and its sides are in the ratio 25, ratio 17, ratio 12. Find the area of the triangle. Also find the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 24.60 per 100 square meter. So student, this question is also based on the Heron's formula. Here we can see the perimeter is already given and sides are given in the form of ratio. So what we will do, we will take whenever the question is in the form of ratio, we have to suppose in terms of any variable. So let the sides of the triangle are 25x, 17x and 12x. You can take any variable, it's 25a, 17a and 12a. The variable is of your choice. Now the perimeter is 540. We have to find out first S. Semi-perimeter is 540 upon 2, that is 270. Now see, perimeter means sum of all the sides and we know all the sides are 25x plus 17x plus 12x is always equal to the perimeter. So we will substitute the value of perimeter and we will get the value of x. X is 10. Now we got the value of x, therefore we will find out the sides. Therefore the sides are, first was 25x, so it becomes 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter. Second side is 170 centimeter and the third side is 120 centimeter. Now semi-perimeter we have already calculated, that is 270. Now again we will use the Heron's formula. According to the formula, we need S and all the three sides. We will substitute the values in the formula 270. So after prime factorization we can see the area of the triangle is 9000 square centimeter. Next part is also find the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 24.60 per 100 square meter. So as we know that the total cost is always cost of 1 square meter into the total area. So cost of 1 square meter is 24.60 upon 100 because it was given per 100 square meter into area is 9000. So when we will solve, we see the total cost is 2240 rupees. Now see the next question. The next question is find the perimeter and area of an equilateral triangle whose height is 12 centimeter. Now in this question the height of an equilateral is 12 centimeter and there is a formula for the height of an equilateral triangle as well as the height of an isosceles triangle. So remember the formula, height of an equilateral triangle is always root 3 by 2 into side. This is already given in your book also. So we'll put the value of height, that is 12, is equals to root 3 by 2 into the side S. So when we'll cross multiply, we'll see the side is 24 upon root 3. So denominator is in a square root form, so we have to first rationalize the denominator, as I have already explained this in the trigonometry topic also. 24 upon root 3, root 3 is the denominator is under the square root, so multiply and divide with the same number. So 24 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is cancelled. So what is the side? 8 into square root of 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter. We have got the side, so we can easily find out the perimeter as well as the area of an equilateral triangle by using the direct formula. So perimeter is 3s. 3 into side value is 8 root 3, that is 24 root 3. We will put the value of root 3, 24 into 1.732. When we will solve, we see 41.568 centimeter. Correct up to 2 decimal place, so it becomes 41.57 centimeter. Because if the last digit is 5 or more than 5, there is an increment in the previous digit. So if it's 6, this will become next digit, that is 7. Now next is the area. Area is root 3 by 4 s square. So put the value of s. Side was 8 root 3 into 8 root 3. So it's 16 into 3 into root 3. So it becomes 48 root 3. Substitute the value of root 3, that is 1.732. So when we will multiply, we will see this is 83.136 centimeter. Correct up to 2 decimal place, it becomes 83.14 square centimeter. This is the answer. Now see the next question. The lengths of the two sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle differ by 2 centimeter. Question is, there is one right angle triangle and the sides which contain the right angle is differ by 2, means the difference between the perpendicular and the base is 2. So you can take either base as x or height as a x, the choice is yours. So I am taking, let base BC is x, so other side is 2 centimeter less than the base. So perpendicular AB will be x minus 2, because it's already given the difference between the sides is 2 centimeter. So BC is x, AB is x minus 2. Now we know base, we know height. Area is already given. So area, substitute the value half into base into height. Area is 24. Substitute the values and solve. We can see here it becomes a quadratic equation, and we already know how to solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So the factors are 8x and 6x. So values of x will be, one value is 8, other value is minus 6. The minus value we always neglect. So x is 8. So the base is 8 centimeter and the perpendicular is, or you can say the height is 2 centimeter less. So it is 8 minus 2, that is 6 centimeter. Now the question is, find out the perimeter of the triangle. Now we know, see, we know the base is 8, height is 6. How to get the third side? Again by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse will be perpendicular square plus base square under the root. So put the value 6 square plus 8 square, that is 100. So the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Now we know all the three sides, we can easily find out the perimeter, that is 10 plus 6 plus 8, that is equals to 24 centimeter. So perimeter of the right angle triangle is 24 centimeter. Now come to the next question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, each side is 10. ABC is an equilateral triangle and the triangle PBC is a right angle triangle in which the PB is given 8, PC is not given, and we have to find out the area of this shaded portion. So how to get the area of this shaded portion, children? If from the triangle ABC, if we'll subtract this triangle PBC, we can get the area of the remaining portion. So first see, in triangle PBC, we have two sides. One is 10, other is 8. Now 90-degree opposite side is always a hypotenuse. So you can take either PB as a base or a perpendicular, choice is yours. So in triangle PBC, we can see we can use here PB square plus PC square, Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we will find out the value of PC. So 10 square is equals to 8 square plus PC value we don't know, 100 minus 64. So PC is square root of 36, that is 6 centimeter. So PC is 6. Now in a right angle triangle PBC, we have the base as well as the perpendicular. So area of the triangle PBC is half into base into height. So half into 8 into 6. So 24 square centimeter. This is the area of the triangle PBC. Now area of an equilateral triangle, that also we can easily find out as we know the formula, root 3 by 4 s square. S means the side. Side we already have, that is 10 centimeter. Substitute the value. We can see here we will get 25 root 3. So 25 root 3 square centimeter. Root 3 value substitute. So 1.732 substitute. We will see that 43.3 square centimeter. Now area of the shaded portion is area of the complete bigger triangle ABC minus area of the triangle PBC. So substitute the value of equilateral triangle first, 43.3 minus 24, that is the area of the triangle PBC. So when we'll solve, we'll see 19.3 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded portion. So children, based on the same type of question, just practice question number 1, 4, 9, 12, 14, 15 and 19 of the exercise 17A. Thank you.